Alright, we just picked up the Outback XT,
and
now we're getting started on swapping the turbo.
You want to see what you can make of this?
Say not ruining any of these tiny little parts. Just take it off right here.
Alright, time for the turbo to come out. You gotta lift it off the studs first, and then you can pull it out towards the firewall.
Yep. Just doesn't want to move straight up at this point, so I think it's coming. It's just this is the part where it'd be easier if the car wasn't so low.
High? You think maybe it's still stuck on something?
I think the oil line needs to come off.
The oil drain, you think is on tight?
Yeah, I think it's on there pretty tight.
Let's take a look. Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm.
Go for it. Let's have a look.
Oily?
Looks yucky. Get this to focus. Stop.
Oh, wait till you see the other side.
Buggered. Good thing we have one of these.
Where are they? 11? Nope, 10.
Hold on. You can't get something round around that?
I already broke it loose.
Okay.
It's fairly easy. Wrong way. Yeah, but I can't tell if it actually is set in there or not.
Okay, you're good. Huh?
I didn't check the oil level. Good.
You want me to disconnect the jumpers and you can roll it back?
Yeah, let's level it out.
Alright.
Alright, that's probably... Now I'm blowing the smoke again. Fucking dude, if I just...
Just cleaning your cats out.